Hello! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 645 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to turn off the watch. So let's press and hold the light button on our watch. When the menu appears on the screen, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through this menu. Select the power off option, then press the start/stop button to turn off the watch. After the watch turns off, we need to press and hold the back button, and we need to keep holding it. And while holding the back button, turn on the watch by pressing the light button for a couple of seconds. So let's press and hold the back button. Pressing and holding the back button. While holding the back button, press the light button for a couple of seconds to turn on the watch. Once you see the logo, you can release the light button, but keep holding the back button and keep holding it until you see this menu on the screen. As you can see, we're being asked if we want to reset the settings to default, basically factory reset the watch. Use the down button to scroll down, select yes, and then press the start/stop button to confirm. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.